Hi, welcome to the second lesson of Python tutorial. In this lesson we'll have definition of some frequent programming terms. The first term is computer. Computer is an electronic machine can perform high-speed mathematical processes and store data in order to use later by the computer itself or by a user. Program is a set of instructions that tell a computer what it must do. Constant is a container that holds unchanged data. A variable is a container that holds changeable data. Note: a variable or a constant is just a reserved place in the computer's memory. A variable or constant has three important properties: a name, a type, and a value. A name identifies a variable's memory address. This is a crucial property for a computer. A type: it means what kind of data is stored into a variable. This property specifies what type of operations would be applied onto a variable. A value is a piece of data that's contained into a variable to use later by a computer or by a user. This property is often involved to the second one. Storage and naming. In programming, we often use equal mark to store data into a variable. A variable's name must start with a letter, not to contain any special symbol except underscore, not to start with a number, respect a letter's case.